Go to the server and join a voice channel. Once the voice connected, click on Start an Activity. In here, scroll down and find out YouTube, or you can use the search box to type and find YouTube together. Watch together. So open the YouTube here and click on launch. And then YouTube will connect with the voice channel. And now from this YouTube, you can easily play any song, or you can use this search box to find out any song or artist. Now just click on the song. Once the song added in your playlist, you may skip or wait until the ads finish, then click on skip, and here you can see the music is not playing. So that's how you can actually play any music in server voice channel without any bot. Thanks for watching.